Glutathione sulfotransferases, or GSTs, are enzymes that detoxify a variety of environmental substances and reactive compounds produced during normal metabolic processes. These enzymes work by attaching glutathione to toxins, making them less reactive and easily excreted. GSTP1 is a form of glutathione sulfotransferase whose function varies greatly from one person to the next because of a well-known sequence variation in which the G allele reduces enzyme function. Nutritional support for GSTs should emphasize cruciferous vegetables and their bioactives, like sulforaphane and diindolylmethane, which promote the expression of GSTs through the NRF2 pathway. Since GSTs depend on glutathione, further assessment may be considered to determine whether oral supplementation with glutathione or with compounds that support its biosynthesis, like alpha-lipoic acid and N-acetylcysteine, are appropriate for the individual.